Hello guys, you are watching Technology and Fun YouTube channel and I am Raihan Khan back again with another Photoshop tips and trick. Okay guys, today we will learn how to change color tune of any photos using Photoshop. So first of all, open your photo and go to adjustment tools and then go to photo filter and color density make 100. Okay, then choose your color and our color code 0006EC. Okay, it's a deep blue color. Then okay. Now go to image and apply image. Select multiply. Click OK. Then go to blending mode and select lighten. Okay, it's done. It's a short tips and tricks. You also can apply on your photo. Guys, if you want more Photoshop tutorials, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon for notification and write in the comment box what kind of tutorial you need. Thank you.